right, Union Home Minister Amit Shah is currently campaigning for Shubhendu Adhikari. The political push for the BJP has reached its crescendo there in 2 days' time. Now, this time, the people of Nandigram will be voting for their candidate. Who will it be? Because it is Mamata Banerjee versus Shubhendu Adhikari. There are 29 other seats up for polls there that will be contested on the 1st of April in the state of West Bengal in the second phase of elections. But all eyes are on the seat of Nandigram, the prestige battle that is now being fought between the BJP and the TMC. Now, that is Shubhendu Adhikari, who is being campaigned and being supported by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah himself, because this is the height of the campaign phase that is going on both for the BJP and the TMC. So Aishwarya is joining us right there, because Aishwarya, when it comes to the support that is being lended to Shubhendu Adhikari, it is Amit Shah, the Union Home Minister. We're looking at the roadshow, the massive roadshow in Nandigram taking place today. But also on the side is the Chief Minister of the state, Mamata Banerjee herself, who has fielded her this time around from the Nandigram seat.
Well, absolutely, and this time it's basically Nandigram ka Sangram, if you call it so, because this time Home Minister also making it clear that it is not about one seat or two seat, every constituency matters. But then when you talk about Nandigram, it is Mamata Banerjee versus Shubhendu Adhikari. Mamata has been camping in Nandigram for the last 2 days and for next 3 days, 5 days in total. So she has made it apparently very clear. And after that video coming out, in which the video very specifically said, or we were able to hear Mamata Banerjee making it clear to a BJP leader that come back into my fold, otherwise it's going to be very difficult for me to be victorious in this very constituency of Nandigram. It basically spells out that how difficult the whole situation has become for the incumbent Chief Minister itself. Forget about any other leader of the TMC, but for Mamata Bandyopadhyay herself. And that is why we say that BJP is giving a very, very tough fight this time around. And as far as Nandigram is concerned, you have Amit Shah, you have Shubhendu Adhikari today, you have Dharmendra Pradhan, and then Mithun Chakravarti in the evening. So it's 1-to-1, back-to-back. BJP is putting its complete firepower, and with Home Minister coming here and doing a massive roadshow as we speak. Our colleagues are on that rath as we speak. And we can tell you that the massive feedback which is coming from the locals there, the people coming out in support of Shubhendu Adhikari, trying to catch a glimpse of the Home Minister, and then also making a point that they are ready for a change. And if that happens, then it's going to be a very, very uphill task for the West Bengal Chief Minister to really save her seat. She has changed her constituency from the last elections, but even Nandigram, and then Shubhendu Adhikari, the man who said, or the man who was given responsibility at one point of time by Mamata Banerjee herself to create Nandigram as a TMC bastion, is now contesting against her. So BJP has been successful in getting the only man who could have defeated Mamata Banerjee from Nandigram. And if that happens, then TMC will crumble like anything. The BJP is aware of that this is going to be the most symbolic of the fights. And that's why you see Home Minister Amit Shah doing this massive roadshows somewhere around 100 and 150 kilometers away from the capital city of Kolkata in Nandigram, because the message needs to go that BJP is not taking it lightly. It may be the sitting Chief Minister's seat, sitting Chief Minister's constituency, but Shubhendu Adhikari has the capability. That is what's felt within the BJP, that if anyone can defeat Mamata Bandyopadhyay from Nandigram, it is Shubhendu Adhikari. Back to you in the studios.
So Aishwarya, you've been there, and you've been seeing the kind of crowds that have gathered there in large numbers, and you've been seeing the kind of support that Amit Shah, the BJP, Shubhendu, and also the pictures of the Trinamool Congress that came in earlier. Now, both tall leaders, that is the Chief Minister of Bengal included, and Amit Shah, of course, is in Nandigram today. Now, what is the sense that you get on the ground, looking at the support that Shubhendu has in his bastion?
20 kilometers apart from each other, two massive roadshows, two massive rallies are being taken out today in Nandigram constituency itself. Mamata Bandyopadhyay, the incumbent Chief Minister, has taken out a separate rally early in the morning. She's taking out another rally in the evening, while Shubhendu is taking this roadshow on the eastern part of Nandigram, and he has with him Dharmendra Pradhan and then the Home Minister of the country, Amit Shah, by his side, shoulder to shoulder. So he is giving Mamta a challenge. There is no doubt about it. You talk to the common people. Language is a trouble for them, but in Bengali, they very clearly say that they are open and they respect Suvendu for the hard work he has done. For them, it is Suvendu in person. For them, it is not the party that much. But then Suvendu Adhikari, and as I said, the man who was given responsibility by Mamta Banerjee 10 years, 12 years back to cultivate this constituency, to cultivate Nandigram for TMC, is today contesting elections against her. And that's the real trouble for Mamta Banerjee. And that's why we heard, even in that audio, Niranjan, in which she was very clearly urging that BJP district level leader of this very constituency that come back into my fold. You know the ground reality. I need you. So that in itself spells out, and BJP is playing on it. That audio clip you can hear being played every 50 meters. Every 50 meters, there are special arrangements being made with those old school horns in which the audio is connected through a mobile phone, and then Mamta Banerjee's audio talking to that BJP leader can be heard every 20-50 meters from here, in which in Bengali she's basically saying that either you come back in my fold, or it's going to be very, very difficult for me in Nandigram. And that is what BJP wants to play upon. BJP understands that the fight for Nandigram is very important. It is not only symbolic, it will also dictate the political outcome of the state of West Bengal, if they are able to defeat, because today only statements are coming from top BJP leaders that Suvendu Adhikari is going to be victorious of over 50,000 votes, 40,000 votes, a lakh of votes. So the confidence within the BJP's fold is coming from the support of the people. Otherwise, BJP was not even present, even if you go back as soon as 5 years prior in this very district. There was no iota of a presence of the Bharatiya Janata Party here. And today, BJP is there at every twist and corner of Nandigram and then the interiors of the interior of the state of West Bengal. Yes, Niranjan.
Yeah, we're staying with these pictures. In fact, what we'll also do is we'll get you the full campaign, and Aishwarya is there to track the Amit Shah campaign in Nandigram, and he's going to get us a full show of the Amit Shah campaign in Nandigram. He's right now at the location where he landed. In fact, we have multiple reporters from the Republic Media Network in Nandigram tracking the Amit Shah campaign, tracking the Mamata campaign. It's the mother of all battles, literally the mother of all battles in not just Bengal, but in elections 2021. Aishwarya, there is so much of significance attached to this fight in Nandigram. Aishwarya, why don't you tell our viewers about that and why it's becoming all the more critical?
Well, absolutely. Let there be no doubt about it. It is very significant. It is called the Nandigram ka Sangram here because it is Mamta Banerjee versus Suvendu Adhikari. It is Mamta Banerjee against the man whom she had given responsibility to cultivate, and who a lot of people within the BJP's fold now have started saying that he is the man who really made Mamta Banerjee acceptable in this part of West Bengal. So now when Mamta Banerjee is taking on Suvendu Adhikari, Mamta Banerjee also understands that it's not going to be easy at all. And now when you have the top leaders of the BJP coming down here, whether it's the Home Minister or whether it's the other cabinet ministers, and even Mithun Chakravarti dropping down here in Nandigram at somewhere around post 3:30, and as far as you said that how symbolic Nandigram is, if Suvendu Adhikari, and there is a big if, but if he is able to defeat Mamta Banerjee, then there is no looking back for him. He is the man for BJP in West Bengal. But even if he is able to give her a fight, a tough fight, even then, it shows that how close it has come. No one can say that it is one party's siege here in West Bengal. It is 50-50, and let there be no doubt about it. Mamta Banerjee is camping in Nandigram for the last 2 days and next 3 days. 5 days in Nandigram, the West Bengal Chief Minister. She has changed her constituency despite that. That in itself, these are small political symbols. Signals, beg your pardon, which political leaders, when they feel even the slightest possible insecurity, they do not give that chance. And she understands that if she loses, TMC crumbles. TMC has already lost at least 30% of their top leadership in this election. They have shifted sides. एंड इफ ममता बनर्जी, और अगर ममता बनर्जी हार जाती है निरंजन, तो ये इतनी बड़ी दिक्कत हो जाएगी तृणमूल कांग्रेस के लिए कि फिर उनको इकट्ठा रखना बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो जाएगा। क्योंकि ममता बनर्जी की जो एक एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी है, सिर्फ यहाँ नहीं पूरे के पूरे पश्चिम बंगाल में, वो एक ऐसे मास पॉपुलर लीडर की आती है कि जहाँ ममता बनर्जी खड़ी हो जाएंगी उनके पीछे लाखों सैकड़ों हज़ारों लोग खड़े हो जाएंगे। लेकिन अगर शुवेंदु अधिकारी, जिनको कहा जाता है, जैसे मैं बार बार कह रहा हूँ कि ये जो नंदीग्राम है, इसकी जिम्मेदारी शुवेंदु अधिकारी को दी गई थी 10 से 12 साल पहले टीएमसी को यहां पर स्ट्रांग करने की, लेफ्ट से जब टक्कर ले रही थी ममता बनर्जी तब। और आज वही शुवेंदु अधिकारी जब उनके खिलाफ खड़े हैं, और अब ये जो मैसिव रोड शो के विजुअल्स भी हम आपको दिखा रहे होंगे, उनके साथ अमित शाह खड़े हैं। हमारे साथी इस समय स्टेज के ऊपर हैं, हमारे रिपब्लिक बांग्ला के अनिर्बान, हमारे रिपब्लिक भारत के अनुज और रीमा प्रसाद, तीनों के तीनों इस समय उनके रथ पर मौजूद हैं और वहां पर उनसे बात करेंगे। अगले कुछ ही क्षणों में हम वो सुनाएंगे आपको जब वो रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क से बात करेंगे। लेकिन एक बात साफ है कि शुवेंदु अधिकारी ममता बनर्जी को जी तोड़ टक्कर दे रहे हैं, और यहां तक कि ममता बनर्जी को बीजेपी नेताओं से आग्रह करना पड़ रहा है, उनको रिक्वेस्ट करनी पड़ रही है कि आप प्लीज वापस आ जाइए, काइंडली कम बैक इनटू माय फोल्ड, आई नीड योर हेल्प in this battle of Nandigram again. And that's why it becomes very, very important. It becomes very, very significant for TMC to maintain Nandigram as their stronghold. But Suvendu Adhikari, on the other hand, is just not ready to give even an iota of a space. And I repeat, even an iota of a space to Trinamool Congress and then Mamata Banerjee. He has kept the complete cadre, which was initially TMC. There is no denying that. The complete cadre which has shifted with Suvendu Adhikari was with the TMC, and that's where it's paining to Mamata Banerjee that the grassroots worker of Trinamool, who was very clearly originally, जो कि शुरुआत में लेफ्ट का होता था, टूट के टीएमसी में आया, आज वो टूट के बीजेपी में चला गया है। और शुवेंदु अधिकारी ने इन सारे ग्रास रूट वर्कर्स को इकट्ठा एक साथ अपने पास रखा हुआ है, एक को भी जाने नहीं दे रही। डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल छोड़िए, डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल से भी जो छोटे, जो बिल्कुल बूथ लेवल कार्यकर्ता हैं, वो भी जो शुवेंदु अधिकारी के साथ इधर आए थे बीजेपी, वो बीजेपी में रुक गए। और ये सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत हो रही है तृणमूल कांग्रेस के लिए। पहले फेज में भी हुई है कि उनका ग्रास रूट वर्कर उनके लिए इतना डेडिकेटेड उनको नहीं दिख रहा है, क्योंकि जो उनका ओरिजिनल था वो तो सब बीजेपी में चला गया। जैसे जब वो आए थे तो उन्होंने लेफ्ट से सारा का सारा उनका जो कार्यकर्ता था वो सब टीएमसी में आ गया था, तो अब टीएमसी का जितना था वो सब बीजेपी में चला गया। तो ममता बनर्जी को जो दिक्कत हो रही है, जो ममता बनर्जी को चोट लग रही है, वो लग रही है ग्रास रूट पे, एट ग्राउंड जीरो। When you don't have your foot soldiers alongside shoulder to shoulder with you, Niranjan, that's when a top leader faces trouble, and that's exactly what seems to be happening with the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee at this point of time. Ji.
Okay, so, we've been speaking to, the last time you spoke to him, Aishwarya, the last time you spoke to Amit Shah, that was during his campaign, it was in Malda, if I'm not wrong. You spoke to him on the ground as a lot has changed, or has it changed for the BJP? Now, they're more confident than they were, let's say, 2 or 3 weeks ago. What has changed for them on the ground in the last 2 or 3 weeks? Is it the fact that these star campaigners have gone there and have spent more time in Bengal, in each and every constituency?
No, absolutely. On ground. Well, absolutely. At this point of time, we can just tell you very, very clearly that BJP has upped the ante. BJP understands that they have a chance. BJP was sensing, and now they have sensed that शुवेंदु अधिकारी को मौका है। शुवेंदु अधिकारी के पास एक ऐसा रियल मौका है हिस्ट्री क्रिएट करने का, ममता बंदोपाध्याय को नंदीग्राम से हराने का, that they are just not ready to give it up, and now they are upping the ante. When you have the Home Minister coming out and doing a road show, a 5-kilometer road show in Nandigram, the message is clear that BJP कोई भी मौका नहीं छोड़ेगी। और नंदीग्राम में वो समझ चुके हैं कि ये सिर्फ एक सिंबॉलिक नहीं, अगर यहाँ वो जीत प्राप्त करते हैं तो पश्चिम बंगाल उनका है। और इस बार वो शुवेंदु अधिकारी पर पूरा का पूरा भरोसा कर रहे हैं। शुवेंदु अधिकारी पर उन्होंने पूरा दाव खेल दिया है। शुवेंदु अधिकारी को पूरा सपोर्ट है। जो शुवेंदु अधिकारी को चाहिए वो शुवेंदु अधिकारी को भारतीय जनता पार्टी मुहैया करा रही है। उनको जो नेता चाहिए, उनको अगर मिथुन चक्रवर्ती दिन में 3 बार चाहिए तो उनको 3 बार मिलेंगे। अगर वो आग्रह कर रहे हैं कि अमित शाह यहाँ पे आके रोड शो करें, तो फिर अमित शाह यहाँ पे आके रोड शो कर रहे हैं। अमित शाह अपने साथ कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स को ला रहे हैं, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान यहाँ पे कैंप कर रहे हैं। तो बीजेपी ये बात सेंस कर चुकी है। बीजेपी हैज वेरी वेरी क्लियरली सेंस against it, that if they are able to defeat Mamata Banerjee from Nandigram, West Bengal is theirs. And then the TMC will crumble, even if their numbers don't match. And that is going to be very, very significant. Even if BJP falls short of few numbers, defeat of Mamata Banerjee will be a defeat of TMC as a party. And then it will be very easy for them, very easy for them. I'm talking just of a scenario X. It is going to be very, very easy for them to create a rift within the TMC if and if at all BJP doesn't touches that number. They want to defeat Mamata Bandyopadhyay. They want to crush Mamata Bandyopadhyay and TMC's sense that no one can give Mamata a challenge in West Bengal. And that is something only Suvendu could have done according to the BJP's thought process. And that's why इसीलिए उन्होंने सुवेंदु अधिकारी को नंदीग्राम से रखा है. और ये जो अभी रोड शो चल रहा है जहाँ पे एक नहीं बार बार, और ये बात रिपब्लिक भारत, रिपब्लिक बांग्ला और रिपब्लिक वर्ल्ड, हमारे तीन रिपोर्टर इस समय स्टेज के पास हैं. स्पेशल एक्सेस है हमारे तीन रिपोर्टर्स एंकर्स को. रिपब्लिक बांग्ला से अनिर्बान सिन्हा, रिपब्लिक भारत से रीमा और रिपब्लिक वर्ल्ड से अनुज. तीनों इस समय वहां पे मौजूद हैं, रोड शो में हैं, रथ के ऊपर हैं और तीनों को एक्सेस दी जा रही है. सुवेंदु अधिकारी की, अमित शाह की और फिर धर्मेंद्र प्रधान की. ऑल थ्री लीडर्स विल बी एक्सक्लूसिवली स्पीकिंग टू रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क एज वी स्पीक, एंड वी आर गोना गेट यू दैट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली गोज बिहाइंड द सीन्स एज वेल. व्हाट आर दोस टॉक्स, बिकॉज every minute there is new political churning happening in this state. That is how close it is. It is still 50-50. It is not even 49-51. Though BJP may be coming out and saying that they are taking 70% of the seats, but on ground they are also aware. उनको भी पता है जमीन पर फाइट है, टफ फाइट है. ममता बनर्जी कोई इतनी आसान नेता नहीं, कोई ऐसे ही नहीं. इनकम्बेंट मुख्यमंत्री तो हैं ही हैं, उससे ज़्यादा वो जिस तरह की हैंड्स ऑन नेता हैं, वो जानती हैं, वो सीधा ग्राउंड पे पहुंच जाती हैं, चीज़ों को अपने कंट्रोल में ले लेती हैं और फिर पासा पलटने में समय नहीं लगता. इसीलिए अमित शाह यहाँ पे आके रोड शो कर रहे हैं. दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई अमित शाह इज कमिंग डाउन to Nandigram and doing a road show for Suvendu Adhikari, because you cannot underestimate a two-time chief minister, and that too a leader to the likes of Mamata Banerjee, because she knows how to play around, she knows how to do the game, she understands how to connect with the people. Let there be no doubt. Yeah, Ji.
Okay, we'll take a short break at this point. Stay with me, Aishwarya. We'll take a short break. We'll come back to the live coverage. That's Amit Shah with Suvendu. The pictures there, we're tracking this very, very closely. The entire Nandigram battle is unfolding as we speak. Amit Shah's roadshow is live. We'll take a break. We'll come back to those live pictures from Nandigram. And we're expecting to get an exclusive interview with Amit